Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In this video I will share with you on how to join agents in Poppolive. Before that, I would like you to know the importance of joining agents in Poppolive. It's going to help you to gain commission earnings. Commission earnings is based on the performance and activity of the hosts you recruit and manage. It's going to help you to build a team in the app, which also creates long-term income. If your hosts are active, you're going to have long-term income, and they're actually monthly in bonus that goes to the agent that has more recruiters and more active hosts in his or her team. So this are gains that you have as an agent that have a team of agents in this app. Now, to create your agent, all you have to do is to click on the O icon here. Now, looking at this part of this my Poppo, you're going to see my ID at the top close to my name, beneath my name. Now, what you have to do here is to scroll down. You're going to see my agency. Let's say the person that you want to join his or her agent just told you her name or his name on Poppolive. All you have to do is to go to the person's name. Beneath the name, you're going to see this. So you have to search for the person and click on this, copy the ID, then click on my agency and paste the agent ID that you want to join his or her team. The second method that you can actually use for this is to actually provide the agent that you want to join his or her team with your user ID and your host code number, which is just right here on my screen. This is my own. So every user of Poppolive have this user ID and host code number. But you have to take note of this. After joining the agency, hosts cannot leave agency without valid reason. You cannot just stand up and say you're leaving agency without a valid reason. The second is hosts cannot join multiple agents. If you join one agent, you have joined that agent. You cannot join more than one. The third is agent cannot join other agents. So if you're already an agent, you cannot join another agent. You just have to manage your team and build your team and gain bonus and every other earnings that comes to your team. Forget about other people's team. So guys, that is it on how to build or join agents in Poppolive. If you want to know more about how to use Poppolive, at the end screen of this video I'm going to drop a video link on how to do that. Thanks for watching.